Yes, I am Santos the doctor. And right now, I'm just showing you right now how I took off a shim because I was doing the alignment. Right here, this is the shim right here, right there. I put this one in and I took this one out. Right here, this was a bad one, skinny. Right here, I'm going to nut right here, just loosened it up right here. And then I took the other one out, a little bit of banging, and I slid it out, and I put this one in. But I had to do it also on the other side, right here, inner and outer. There's another shim right here I put in right here. Do the same routine, loosen the nut and bolt. As it's still right in here, there it is. As you see, it slides in and out because I slid it in through the top after I loosened. Don't take off the nut and bolt, just loosen it to a certain point right here. Now I'm going to tie all that back down. This procedure right here is to help on the alignment. Right here, it was a little off, 3/4, but that's all I needed was 2 shims, inner and outer, to balance it out. There we go right there, as you see. See that right there? All right. There we go. I am the doctor. Subscribe to my video. Tell me what you think. Peace and have a nice day.